Samsung Galaxy S24, 7 months later. It has aged pretty well. And here's the thing, spoiler alert, I can still recommend this very easily for those who are looking for a device like this. First of all, design has been great. Easily one-handed device for me at least. Absolutely love it. The display is phenomenal, just for everyday tasks, obviously. And I believe a display on a phone should be really good because it's one of the most important aspects and parts of a phone. It's the part that we use daily. We interact with the screen the most. So having a good screen is a must. This Samsung Galaxy S24, to be expected, obviously. Display is phenomenal. 120 hertz, gets super bright outdoors, really great. It's very slim bezels. I love how the camera, front-facing camera, is centered, the hole punch. Other devices sometimes have their hole punch in like the left or right corner. This is in the center. It's great. Really do love it. The build quality is also phenomenal. It just flattened out sides, feels more premium in my opinion. And it's just a design that can't go wrong. If it ain't broke, don't fix it type of thing. So I really do like it. So if you're looking for a great build quality, great phone because of its design, Galaxy S24 is going to be that device for you. Some may agree with me, some may not, but in my experience, I like it. I really do like it. Performance has also been top notch. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 has been great for daily tasks. Literally, I throw everything at it and it tackles it at ease. Now, 8 gigs of RAM. I kind of wish it had 12 gigs as standard. Even the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 right here, and I'm going to bring it over here, has 12 gigs standard, gigs of RAM at least, on their device. So I kind of expect the Galaxy S25 hopefully to come with 12 gigs standard of RAM. We'll see, but 8 gigs of RAM, it's nothing. It's not like you're losing out, but it'd be nice to see 12 gigs of RAM. Storage, perfectly enough for me. Android 14, currently running One UI 6.1. One UI 7 beta is going to be coming out soon. It was supposed to come out at the time of this recording, actually the week before, but that didn't happen. So we're still waiting on the beta, but once it does, I will be having a video out on that. So definitely be sure to stay tuned. 7 years of software updates. That is great. So technically, this can run like Android 21, and like by 2030, you'll still be getting software updates, which is a huge plus. The AI features, Samsung is really pushing out their Galaxy AI, and I'll be honest, like I don't use them. They're nice to have them there, but I used them when it first came out, and that was it. I don't really use it anymore. The only one I'll be using is like the Magic Eraser type of feature. That's really it. I'm not using any other Galaxy AI feature. I haven't really found an AI feature that kind of helps with my daily workflow and makes my productivity easier, quicker, better, anything like that. But if it's for you, then hey, take a look at it. For me, it just hasn't been there. Cameras are also still reliable 7 months later. You're getting a triple camera setup. You're getting a wide, ultra wide, and a telephoto. It's good. It's not 100x zoom. It's not anything like S24 Ultra, but again, you're going to be getting a really good camera setup. And now that I mentioned S24 Ultra, by now, I think you kind of get the gist of it. This is offering a lot of what the S24 Ultra is offering, but just like at one rank lower. That's why I think this is like 85% what you're getting with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And that does kind of tie into the battery too. The battery, 4,000 milliamp hour physical battery size, 25 watts fast charging. So it's not the 45 watts you're getting with the S24 Ultra, but it's not, you know, it charges all right. Could be, that's one of my complaints. It could charge a little bit faster, but the battery has been pretty good. 5 hours-ish of screen on time. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 has been, it's a chip that requires a lot of, consumes a lot of energy, but it also is still pretty efficient. And if you're a heavy user, then yes, you may have to kind of look for a charger towards the end of the evening. If you're a light user, you don't need to worry about the battery life. So I think they've done a pretty decent job in that department. Yes, it's not, again, it's not S24 Ultra, but it's carrying a lot of what the S24 Ultra has to offer. And the starting price, $799 was the initial. I've seen it on sale, $699, $649. And obviously, if you can tell, this is going to be priced against its main competitor, which still right now at the time of this recording is the iPhone 15. But once the 16 comes out, it's going to be going head to head with the 16 until the S25 comes out, and so on and so on. But for $649, let's say you find it for 150 bucks off, why not? It's a great deal. And I say that for Samsung devices in general. If you can find a Samsung device on sale, it's a no-brainer to pick it up. Maybe at its initial price tag, I'd say hold on a little bit, wait for it to go on sale, because they're gonna go on sale quite often. And I'll be leaving YouTube community tab posts here and there of phones that go on sale, whether it's the S24 or the flips or the foldables. I'm going to be showcasing that and sharing any news if they go on sale. So definitely be sure to subscribe and stay tuned to my YouTube community tabs on deals like that. And we're at that point where phones are going to be going on sale quite often. So yes, I would recommend picking it up when it goes on sale. I've seen it for $649 before. So keep that in mind if you're out on the market looking to pick up a Galaxy S24. But 7 months later, it's aged very well. Just overall, again, it's just, I kind of see it as a smaller Galaxy S24 Ultra. 85% of what that phone has to offer. And the one thing that I'm starting to miss is this may be the compact smartphone of 2024. Like, we're not getting any other phone in 2024 as of right now, at least, that's smaller, more compact than this. Don't count the Z Flip. Like, you open this up and it's a little larger, but you're not getting like an Asus Zenfone 11 that's more compact than this, at least right now. Maybe Asus might surprise us. You're not getting an iPhone 16 mini when that comes out, the 16 series. You're not getting a 16 mini. So this is the compact smartphone size. So I don't know, maybe if Samsung, if you come across this, make like a Galaxy S25 Ultra Mini. I love the concept of having a compact mini flagship smartphone. So Samsung could probably make one if they did. I know the amount of people who will buy one, even for iPhone minis, was really little, like a small portion, like a very small percentage. Maybe it's probably the same for the Galaxy series, or just mini smartphones in general. But I love the concept of having a mini smartphone. Also, definitely be sure to check out this Pitaka case. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel out a lot. It will help push my content out to more people. And also, definitely be sure to check out Urban Glow. It's my wallpaper pack. Again, links for all of these will be in the description down below for the Samsung Galaxy Ring, which I absolutely love, the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Samsung finally has a really good ecosystem that I personally can recommend. They've had an ecosystem before, but this one I feel content using with. And I'm only going to recommend products that I feel content that I would use, which would result in me recommending for others to use. And I would recommend the Galaxy Watch Ultra, the Galaxy Ring, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.